Welcome to this video. In this session, I'm going to do the demo of this newly developed application, Ferrules at bolt location. This application will read the bolt location and creates the ferrules exactly inside the panel so that the steel and precast can be connected. Let's see the demo. Pick the panel, press the middle mouse and pick the bolt. Again, press the middle mouse. Now, this bolt is on the other side. Let me repeat the process. Pick the panel, press the middle mouse and pick the bolt and press the middle mouse. If I change the number of bolts, the ferrules will also be updated. Let me change the number of bolts. If you see this bolt group, it is extending from one panel to the another panel. Now, pick these two panels, press the middle mouse and pick the bolt and press the middle mouse again. You can see the ferrules are inserted, and these 5 ferrules are added as subassembly to this one, and the next set of ferrules added as subassembly to the second panel. Let me hide and then show you. You don't see these ferrules, that means all the ferrules are already part of the panels. Not only that, the near side and far side position of the ferrules will also be defined by default based on the form face of these panels. I set this panel form face as front and this one as back. So here you can see. Now I'm going to run the representation check. This panel form faces front and all these ferrules are near side. And this panel form face is on the other side and these ferrules are far side. Let's see what options are inbuilt in this component. If you want to choose a different set of custom components, select this custom component and open this component catalog. So you can choose your own set of connection here. Then type the name of your settings. Let me go back to ferrule. So you have 3 options here: generic ferrule, Anken ferrule and read ferrule. Once you click, it will automatically change the list. Of course, you can choose the size here and you can type the length and also the name of the ferrule. If I choose Anken and then read ferrule, as you have seen, this component is very powerful and dynamic. If you are working in collaboration with the steel detailing project, obviously this is going to save a lot of time. Feel free to get in touch with me if you need any further information. Of course, this application is available for you to purchase. And thank you for watching this video.